When it comes to window boards, we already have a wide range of sizes for you to choose from. But don't think that's all we offer. If you have a custom size in mind, we'll accommodate it for you. This video will help you order a window board by selecting our standard sizes. We'll explain every option so that you can be sure you're ordering the right thing. Let's get to it. This will be the first option you're faced with when landing on our MDF window board product page. The depth option really depends on how deep your window reveal is. For example, if your window reveal is 220mm deep, you'll want to choose the 250mm depth. This ensures that the window board will fully cover the reveal and overhang on the front edge. Almost every window board you see in stores will have an overhang, and generally it's around 30mm. Our standard depths that you are able to choose from are as follows. We have found that this covers the majority of sizes that are found within the UK. However, don't be put off if you can't see the depth you need or you need something entirely different. We specialised in bespoke window boards, so we can pretty much do any depth you require. Once you've selected a depth for your window board, the next option is to choose a thickness. Choosing a thickness can be down to personal preference. However, you will need to make sure that the thickness you choose will definitely fit into the window reveal. Check this before placing an order. As standard, the only thickness options you can choose for window boards are 18mm and 25mm. We have found that these are the most commonly asked sizes, hence why we don't offer any others on the website. However, we've made other thicknesses for window boards in the past, such as 15mm and 30mm, so we can still pretty much do any size you require. Just inquire beforehand and we'll talk you through it. Now it's time to choose the length of your window board. You'll need to measure the window reveal in order to know what length to choose. We offer 6 different length options as standard. Generally speaking, these lengths are perfect for most customers. If you have the facilities to do so, you can order a length longer than you need and cut it to the exact size on site. 4.2 meters in length is our longest. Unfortunately, we can't get anything longer. However, we can do any size underneath that. Once you've chosen all your sizes, you need to choose whether to have the window board primed or unprimed. The finish option is simply down to personal preference. If you don't want the hassle of priming the board yourself, choose our primed option at just £3.50 extra per window board. If you choose the unprimed option, you'll receive a window board that doesn't have any type of finish applied to it. Once you receive the unprimed window board, you will need to add a coat of primer before you apply your final paint finish. If you select the primed option, we'll add 2 coats of water-based primer to the boards and sand them down in between each layer. This not only saves time for you, but also gives you a smooth surface to easily apply your final paint finish to. Once you've made all your selections, you're ready to proceed to the cart. Just type the number of window boards you need into the quantity box and click the Add to Cart button. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.